故事猫画三国下集。
Because Zongzi cow sleeps too much, story cat brings dumpling sheep to the three kingdoms instead.
因为粽子牛睡过头了，所以故事猫改带水饺羊来到三国时代。
Because Zongzi cow sleeps too much, story cat brings dumpling sheep to the three kingdoms instead. They arrive at the Yangtze River, where Cao Cao's giant army is getting ready for a huge war.
他们抵达长江，曹操的庞大军队正在准备一场超级大战。
They arrive at the Yangtze River, where Cao Cao's giant army is getting ready for a huge war. Cao Cao chains all his giant ships together because his soldiers get seasick, creating a very funny sight.
曹操因为士兵晕船而把所有巨大的战船锁在一起，形成了一幅搞笑的画面。
Cao Cao chains all his giant ships together because his soldiers get seasick, creating a very funny sight. Zhu Zhiliang and Zhou Yu have a secret plan to use fire to destroy Cao Cao's wooden ships.
诸葛亮和周瑜有一个秘密计划，要用火烧毁曹操的木船。
Zhu Zhiliang and Zhou Yu have a secret plan to use fire to destroy Cao Cao's wooden ships. Wow! Are we having a giant river BBQ? asks Dumpling Sheep, holding a fork.
哇，我们要在河边办超大型烤肉派对吗？水饺羊拿着叉子兴奋地问。
Wow! Are we having a giant river BBQ? asks Dumpling Sheep, holding a fork. Story cat sighs, no. Dumpling Sheep. That is the famous Battle of Red Cliffs.
故事猫叹气说：“不，水饺羊，那就是著名的赤壁之战。”
Story cat sighs, no. Dumpling Sheep. That is the famous Battle of Red Cliffs. A strong wind blows, and the magic fire burns all of Cao Cao's ships, forcing him to run away.
一阵强风吹过，神奇的大火烧毁了曹操所有的船，逼得他只能落荒而逃。
A strong wind blows, and the magic fire burns all of Cao Cao's ships, forcing him to run away. After this big battle, the country is finally cut into three parts, just like Zongzi Cao's pizza plan.
这场大战之后，国家终于被切成了三块，就像粽子牛之前说的披萨计划一样。
After this big battle, the country is finally cut into three parts. Just like Zongzi Cao's pizza plan, Cao Cao builds Wei in the north, Liu Bei builds Shu in the west, and Sun Quan builds Wu in the south.
曹操在北方建立魏国，刘备在西方建立蜀国，孙权在南方建立吴国。
Cao Cao builds Wei in the north, Liu Bei builds Shu in the west, and Sun Quan builds Wu in the south. Dumpling Sheep looks at the map and asks, "Can I rule the kingdom of dumplings?"
水饺羊看着地图问：“我可以统治水饺国吗？”
Dumpling Sheep looks at the map and asks, "Can I rule the kingdom of dumplings?" Story Cat rolls his eyes and explains that the three kingdoms never stop fighting each other.
故事猫翻了个白眼，继续解释这三个国家从未停止过互相打仗。
Story Cat rolls his eyes and explains that the three kingdoms never stop fighting each other. Sadly, Guan Yu is attacked by surprise from the Wu Kingdom and loses his life.
不幸的是，关羽遭遇到吴国的突袭，因此失去了生命。
Sadly, Guan Yu is attacked by surprise from the Wu Kingdom and loses his life. Liu Bei is heartbroken, so he starts a war to get revenge for his brother but loses badly.
刘备非常伤心，为了替兄弟报仇而发动战争，却输得很惨。
Liu Bei is heartbroken, so he starts a war to get revenge for his brother but loses badly. Before Liu Bei dies, he holds Zhu Zhiliang's hands and asks him to help his young son rule the Shu Kingdom.
刘备临终前握着诸葛亮的手，拜托他帮助自己年轻的儿子统治蜀国。
Before Liu Bei dies, he holds Zhu Zhiliang's hands and asks him to help his young son rule the Shu Kingdom. Zhu Zhiliang is very loyal, so he works day and night without resting to win back the country.
诸葛亮非常忠诚，所以他日夜不停地工作，试图赢回整个国家。
Zhu Zhiliang is very loyal, so he works day and night without resting to win back the country. He fights against a very smart and patient general named Sima Yi from the Wei Kingdom.
他对抗魏国一位非常聪明又有耐心的将军， 名叫司马懿。
He fights against a very smart and patient general named Sima Yi from the Wei Kingdom. Zhuge Liang sits on an empty city wall playing music, successfully tricking Sima Yi's huge army into running away.
诸葛亮坐在大开城门的空城墙上弹琴，竟然成功吓退了司马懿的大军。
Zhuge Liang sits on an empty city wall playing music, successfully tricking Sima Yi's huge army into running away. Sima Yi hides in his camp and refuses to come out to fight, making Zhuge Liang very tired.
司马懿躲在营帐里，拒绝出来打仗，让诸葛亮非常疲累。
Sima Yi hides in his camp and refuses to come out to fight, making Zhuge Liang very tired. Zhuge Liang sends a woman's dress to Sima Yi to taunt him, but Sima Yi proudly wears it anyway.
诸葛亮送了一套女装给司马懿，想激怒他，没想到司马懿竟然还很温和地穿了起来。
Zhuge Liang sends a woman's dress to Sima Yi to taunt him, but Sima Yi proudly wears it anyway. Dumpling Sheep shouts at Sima Yi's camp, "Come out! I will give you a bowl of hot dumplings."
水饺羊对着司马懿的军营大喊：“出来吧，请你吃一碗热水饺。”
Dumpling Sheep shouts at Sima Yi's camp, "Come out! I will give you a bowl of hot dumplings." Even with dumplings, Sima Yi does not move, and Zhuge Liang finally dies from working too hard.
即使有水饺的诱惑，司马懿也不为所动。最后，诸葛亮因为过度劳累而病死。
Even with dumplings, Sima Yi does not move, and Zhuge Liang finally dies from working too hard. After Zhuge Liang dies, the Shu kingdom becomes weak and is the first to fall down.
诸葛亮死后，蜀国变得非常虚弱，成为第一个倒下的国家。
After Zhuge Liang dies, the Shu kingdom becomes weak and is the first to fall down. Soon, the clever Sima family takes all the power away from the Wei kingdom's rulers.
很快地，聪明的司马家族从魏国统治者手中夺取了所有的权力。
Soon, the clever Sima family takes all the power away from the Wei kingdom's rulers. They destroy the Wu kingdom too and unite the whole country into the new Jin dynasty.
他们也消灭了吴国，将整个国家统一，建立了新的晋朝。
They destroy the Wu kingdom too and unite the whole country into the new Jin dynasty. So the three kingdoms become one again. This is history, says Story Cat proudly.
所以三个国家又变成了一个，这就是历史。故事猫骄傲地说。
So the three kingdoms become one again. This is history, says Story Cat proudly. Dumpling Sheep nods. Yes, just like three small dumplings eaten by one big stomach.
水饺羊点点头，对，就像三颗小水饺被一个大肚子吃掉了一样。
Dumpling Sheep nods. Yes, just like three small dumplings eaten by one big stomach. Story Cat laughs, and they jump into the time machine to go back home safely.
故事猫笑了，他们跳进时光机，安全地回到了家。
Story Cat laughs, and they jump into the time machine to go back home safely. When they arrive, Zongzi Cow is still sleeping on the sofa, completely missing the whole adventure.
当他们抵达时，粽子牛竟然还在沙发上睡觉，完全错过了整场冒险。
When they arrive, Zongzi Cow is still sleeping on the sofa, completely missing the whole adventure.
夏商周秦汉，三国晋南北朝，隋唐五代宋元明清。夏商周秦汉，三国晋南北朝，隋唐五代宋元明清。夏商周秦汉，三国晋南北朝，隋唐五代宋元明清。隋唐五代宋元明清。